Not everybody thinks like you, right? And this is a thing that I've had experience throughout the day, throughout the week, like pitching people. Not everybody is as excited as you are because everybody thinks that all you're trying to do by being excited is just get a payment, get money out of people. When realistically, we look for long-term relationships. We look for things that are a good fit. We look for things that we know we will be rocking for a while. We look for that longevity in a business owner, right? If you're an agency owner, just like me, you understand this. You understand that not every client stays for a long, long time. And when we see a client that fits into our exact avatar, that fits into our exact, personality traits that we really vibe with, we're not just excited because we know that that's going to be good continuity for us. We're excited because it's going to be hard for us to lose this client. It's going to be really hard for us to lose them. But people just get this weird feeling when they're being sold to, and some people are afraid to be sold to and to sell themselves. That's why I get a lot of questions when I'm helping people build out their funnels. They say, oh, is 3 upsells a lot? Are people going to get aggravated? Listen, every single wavelength in life, you are selling yourself. Why are you going to be scared or afraid if you sell somebody an extra 2 times on something that's valuable and that's congruent and that can help them even more? Give them faster, better results. More of the same that they're already willing to buy. Why do you feel so insecure and, fear-based because of that? It's because success scares people. When you're putting more things up for you to make more money and obviously scale your business, like money scares people. A lot of people wish to make more money, but most people don't know what to do with it. And that's the problem. And this is something that is I've talked about this many times on my page, but that's a huge money block and a mental block. You sometimes don't think that you deserve more money because sometimes you think that, it's greedy, or your parents and your friends when you were younger told you that rich people are greedy, they're assholes. So when you start making money, you're going to leave those people behind, and that freaking scares the shit out of you. That's why most people don't become successful. That's the biggest reason why 99% of people never do what they want in life, because they just want to stay in the norm. They want to stay in the clear, as we say in layman terms. We want to stay out of controversy or anything that could be sketchy. Like my parents, literally, they still think that what I do on the internet is sketchy. Like they just think it is. They think it's weird how I'm making all this money online. Like they still don't understand it yet. So it's there's still people who are very not aware of what's going on in our world and the whole shift that we're making. And our older generation is trying to catch on to this, and they're starting to see what's happening. And that's why I still get a lot of clients who are 55 and up trying to start that business to get them to retirement or whatever the case may be. Because current economic conditions, their retirement funds are not really working out for them. So that's the thing. Not everybody actually wants to be successful. They just say it because it feels good to say it. So stop trying to, it's not stop trying to, but stop trying to let people put you in this category just because you're hungry and you want to work hard and you want to make more money. Doesn't mean you're an asshole, doesn't mean you're greedy. It means that you have a skill set that people want to buy. You have a service that people want to buy. You have a product people want to buy. Just like Amazon, Walmart, Dick's Sporting Goods. I don't know, just shit that people want to buy. It's not that you're greedy or you're an asshole. You're simply giving something to people and they're giving you a monetary value in return for their excitement, their pleasure, their convenience, whatever the case may be.